Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last videos, we covered up to pattern number 30. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a pattern number 31. What is this pattern? In previous example, if you see, we are printing the values of 1 to 5 in this style. 1 to 5 in this style. Now, I want to print the values in the column wise. That is 1 followed by 2. Like that I want to print. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 5 rows and 5 columns. So in our previous example, we have taken the value of I to print this kind of style. But in this example, what we have to do? In the place of I, we need to take J, which will print the column values. Now see what will happen. I'm giving the input as a 5. You can see instead of printing from 1, it is printing from 0. We know, right, how to take 1. So just if you add +1, what will happen? It is going to take the values from 1 and it will print up to n, right? This is the way how we can able to generate these kind of values. I think you got a very clear clarity about this 31st pattern, right? Thank you.